Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Temu application not loading or working. So first thing first, what you have to check is your Wi-Fi. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, you're going to have to switch it to your mobile data. If you have a secondary Wi-Fi, switch it to your secondary Wi-Fi and then launch your Temu and then see if it fixes your problem. If your Temu is still not working, then this could be the app glitch. So head over to your Play Store and then here again search for Temu. You need to make sure that the application that you are using is updated. In case you see update just like mine, select update and update your app. Lastly, long tap onto Temu and select the eye icon. Scroll below and go for storage. Here clear the cache. Come back onto app info page, select force stop and then select OK. Now lastly, you're going to have to restart your device, launch a Temu app, use it and it will definitely fix your problem.